Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, we're gonna do a plant repot, specifically my alocasias that are right here that are asking for help. She's dying, so we're gonna figure out what's wrong. We're gonna take her out, check the roots, check everything. She might just be root bound. We're gonna see if I can bring them back to life. But before I start the repot, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you already fell in love with my personality, you can follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat. I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's try to save these plants and begin this repot. Okay, you guys, so think of plants as a little child, a human being. When they're stressing, when they have yellow leaves, you need to act fast and check everything. If you're watering them, if you're giving them enough humidity, if everything looks good, you need to repot them or check the roots. So that's what I'm gonna do, because this is a variegated alocasia amazonica. It definitely gets a lot of humidity. I water it, so the only reason I think it's pissed off is because probably needs to be repotted. So we're gonna do that today. Also, you may recognize this one. I'm gonna also repot my alocasia Frydek because it's still in the 2-leaf club. The most leaves it's had was 3. Still in the 2-leaf club. So I'm gonna take her out of this substrate and put her in a bigger pot because I think the roots are screaming that they need some bigger pot to expand. So yeah, we're gonna figure out which pot size. We need to check the roots first before deciding what pot to put it on, because if it has a bigger root system, then yeah, it needs more room to grow. And if it has a smaller root system, you might want to put her in a smaller container, just so it won't suffocate and won't cause root rot or any other type of issues. And my choice of growing media is stratum, is flugel stratum, because it contains a lot of nutrients for the plants and it's easy to root. It's one of the best to root, I think one of the best. I'm also doing perlite because it's airy and again, plants root really well. And of course I have my trusty gloves. So let's begin this repot, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm pretty scared, but I'm gonna start with the amazonica. I'm gonna take her out of this cloche. By the way, if you guys like this cloche, I got it at IKEA and it comes with this metal piece so it won't rot. Oh. So here is our amazonica. Oh my god, you guys, I wasn't recording all this time anyways. Here are the roots. This plant was in this like spongy material that looks like dirt. And I'm literally trying to scrape off all of it, but it's really stuck on there. It's like, you know, when you buy a plant, when big companies have little plant babies and they grow them in these little sponge looking things and you gotta take it out and free it pretty much. I think it's a special type of growing media that helps the growers grow their plant babies faster, but we pay the consequences because the plants really don't like it when they mature. But anyways, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, and here's a yellow leaf. I'm gonna cut it off. This plant is definitely not, oh, she came right off. She said bye. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna rinse all this off and try to get all this junk off. Okay, you guys, so here's the plant. And the roots look delicious still. I took all that nasty spongy material. I don't know what the fuck it was. She does have some new growth points, so I'm happy. And I'm sure she's gonna live, so we're gonna put her to the side. And now I'm gonna do my variegated alocasia Friday. I'm kind of scared because this plant is always rotting. So, okay, here we go. I'm very scared, you guys. I'm very, 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 very scared to see what I'm gonna find. Okay, so here we go. Wish me luck, you guys. The roots look fine. They look pretty good. Some root casualties with some mush. Okay, so I think this plant was suffering a little root rot, but it looks like it was trying to. Okay, you guys, here's a close-up. So this root looks very fat right here. I think it was trying to develop a worm. Maybe that's where all the energy was going, but it's very mushy, so I'm definitely still gonna keep her in this. And I'm gonna add less water for sure because it has some dead roots, not a lot, but as y'all can see there's dead roots in this substrate, so maybe I need to keep her less wet. I don't know, you guys. Yeah, here are the roots. Like I said, we're gonna give her a wash and then I'm gonna show you, but so far this leaf is holding on. I'm surprised because usually they go, and this leaf is brand new, so it has 2 leaves. I decided to repot her, and maybe this one's gonna get stressed and then we're gonna be left with one and hopefully another one comes on the way. I don't know, we'll see, but yeah, I'm gonna probably give her new substrate, you guys. We'll see. Because stratum does disintegrate fast, so. Okay, you guys, I am back. I figured out which pots I'm gonna use for what. Okay, so we're gonna do them in order. Here is the Alocasia amazonica. Again, the roots are all washed. And I'm gonna use the pot from the Alocasia Friday, because, oh, actually, yeah, it's old catch po, actually, and I made holes. So this is gonna be like this. It's gonna be temporary, and I'm gonna see how the roots react. Hopefully it likes it, and then I'm gonna upgrade it to a bigger pot. Put it like this, and we're gonna see, you guys. So here we go. So I'm gonna put a little perlite. I have some perlite right here. I'm gonna put a little bit on the bottom. Like so. So I'm gonna do a little bed of perlite. And then I'm gonna put this plant like this. And I'm sure it's gonna like it, just like this. I'm gonna put perlite so it'll prevent root rot. Then I'm gonna put some stratum. And stratum is pretty much volcanic rock. I think it comes from Japan. So it has a lot of nutrients for the little plant baby. I'm gonna top it off with more perlite on top, you guys. Kind of like I call this my little Oreo method. Oh, what is that? Looks like a dog hair. And I'm gonna add more perlite. This doesn't feel like feels like it's a little wonky, you guys. Light on top. This again, I call my little Oreo method, you guys. Yay, okay. You can see the roots right there. She definitely looks cute, a cute little plant. She looks great. Like I said, I added holes in the bottom right there. And I'm gonna have it right here in this little pot, and I'm just gonna add water, and it's gonna have all the water at once. So here's the first plant, you guys. Here you go. Oh, she's taller now. Oh my god, I didn't think. You guys, I didn't think of that. Crap. Okay, this might not work. Let me put the square. Oh, the square fits perfect. There, the little square house looks cute. And then I get to add water. This is perfect. Okay, there it is. Now let's add the cloche. Oh my god. Okay. There. It almost didn't fit. But here she is. She looks happier. Okay, we did one plant. And here, we're gonna keep it in its old home. I washed it and we're gonna give her new substrate. So again, I'm gonna put a perlite bed. Just so the roots don't touch the water as much. I'm gonna give her double the bed, like that. And then we're gonna put the roots like that. That's perfect. Okay, we're gonna put some stratum. I think this plant's gonna finally be happier. I have a feeling. I hope I'm right. Oh, little balls are kind of disintegrating. We're gonna give her a mix, I just said. More perlite on top, you guys. I think this plant is finally gonna be happier. There she is, you guys. You can see the fruits, kind of, not really, a little bit right there. Yeah. And we're gonna keep her in this little cup, and I'm just gonna add water to the bottom and she'll be happy. Okay guys, so here I have the 2 potted up plants. Here's the alocasia variegated fragment, and she's all potted up. Here is the where I potted it up, and here this is gonna be its water reservoir, its little catch pot. And And here's the other one. This is gonna be its pot, and then this catch pro is gonna be this one. So I'm gonna water them. This is nutrient water. I put some rooting hormone on there. Hopefully it helps. And there you go, there's the water. You can see the water down there. It's kind of musky. I'm gonna add more water just to the bottom. I'm gonna add water like this. This is perfect. So here's one. Now for the fried egg, I'm gonna be very careful because she had some type of root rot. So I'm gonna add very little. Even though I put this higher up. Okay, there. That's all the water it's gonna get. Because all the little roots didn't reach all the way to the bottom, so. Maybe a slight less, like so. Okay, one. Here's one. I'm gonna drop all this water. Hold on. Okay, here we go. This one's pretty cool. Alright, and there you have it. Okay, you guys, there you have it. Here are my 2 repotted plants. I'm gonna keep you updated. Hopefully, the next time I update you on these plants, they have more leaves, they're happier, they're not rotting, they're bigger, and they probably will need another repot. I'll keep you updated for sure. If you want updates on these plants and cannot wait, I will have updates on my social media again. Add me at Melina Glam. And if you don't want to miss the upcoming video, add me on YouTube as well. Okay, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me and repotting. I'm Melina Glam again. Hopefully, I'll see you on my next video. Bye. I love you.